In the transformative opening of this book, the author delves deep into the realms of personal power and success. They invite us to step into a space where mentality reigns supreme, a fertile ground where achievements are born from the seeds of thoughts, beliefs, and intentions. Imagine a life where every decision and action aligns seamlessly with an unwavering mindset, one that transforms ordinary moments into extraordinary milestones. The author challenges the notion that excellence stems from mere skills, talent, or luck. Instead, true greatness arises from a fundamental shift in mindset, a shift that goes beyond just positive thinking. They introduce the concept of mastering one's mentality, emphasizing that our mental orientation shapes every aspect of our lives, from personal relationships to professional success. Through compelling case studies, the author reveals the magnetic power of intention, describing it as an invisible force that draws success closer to those who wield it consciously. Whether you are an aspiring entrepreneur, an athlete, or an artist, understanding the transformative power of intention becomes your guiding light on the journey to greatness. The book offers practical tools to develop a champion's mindset. Visualization techniques, affirmations, and mental rehearsals are explored, with examples showing how these tools help individuals overcome obstacles, tackle failures, and maintain unshakable focus. This mindset toolbox becomes a weapon against self-doubt and fear, empowering readers to face challenges head-on. Inspired by cognitive psychology and neuroscience, the author uncovers the science behind belief systems. They explain how our subconscious mind shapes our reality, often without our conscious awareness. By reprogramming limiting beliefs, we can rewrite the script of our lives. Readers are encouraged to question inherited narratives and embrace beliefs that inspire and propel them toward their goals. The concept of the winning edge is introduced, emphasizing that greatness is not an inherent trait but a result of tireless commitment, flexibility, and adaptability. The author shares stories of athletes, entrepreneurs, and politicians who achieved extraordinary results by harnessing this edge, reminding us that excellence is never accidental but earned through relentless effort. In the second chapter, the focus shifts to the silent architect of our lives, intention. Intention is likened to a blueprint that shapes our reality. The author encourages readers to uncover its secrets and harness its transformative power. Think of intention as a compass, guiding the ship of our lives through uncharted waters. But intention is not a fleeting wish. It is a steadfast commitment to achieving meaningful results. The author argues that intention fuels our actions and directs the course of our lives. Whether the goal is financial success, mastery of an art form, or personal fulfillment, intention becomes the driving force behind every achievement. This chapter also explores the quantum shift, emphasizing that intention is not bound by visible metrics or immediate outcomes. Instead, it is a profound unseen force that aligns the mind, body, and spirit, creating ripples of change in our reality. As the author eloquently puts it, intention is not just the beginning of a journey, it is the journey itself. By mastering our mindset and harnessing the power of intention, we can transcend limitations, turning dreams into achievements and aspirations into reality. What do you think of this summary? Let me know if any further changes are needed to make it more impactful. In the profound depths of this chapter, the author unveils a transformative idea. Intention is the silent architect of our reality. It resides in the mysterious space where thoughts turn into particles, and particles weave the fabric of our existence. When we observe with intent, waves collapse into particles, giving birth to our experiences. Intention doesn't just guide our actions, it shapes our perceptions, too. The moment we set a clear intention, our nervous system activates, mapping out pathways that reveal opportunities and clear obstacles. The author shares remarkable stories of businesspeople who envisioned their ventures flourishing, athletes rehearsing their victories in their minds, and entrepreneurs manifesting their aspirations. In these cases, intention becomes a gravitational force, pulling success closer. True magic happens when alignment is achieved, when thoughts, emotions, and actions harmonize perfectly. The author invites us to introspect deeply. Are we unknowingly sabotaging ourselves? Are we truly aligned with our deepest desires? In such a state of alignment, every atom of our existence contributes to creating extraordinary results. This is where miracles unfold. However, intention thrives best when paired with detachment. Drawing wisdom from ancient texts, the author highlights a profound truth. Intention flourishes when we move forward with purpose while surrendering to the universe. Detachment is not about abandoning faith. It is the ultimate act of trust. It's about knowing that the universe conspires in our favor. We plant the seed, nurture the soil, and then step back, allowing growth to happen naturally. The author encourages us to reflect on the legacy we wish to leave behind. What mark do we want to make on the world? Intention, when set with a vision beyond personal gain, resonates across generations. Great leaders and artists carry intentions that transcend their mortal forms, their influence echoing through time. By setting meaningful intentions, we become architects of a better world, one where purpose surpasses ego, and the ripple effects of our actions echo infinitely. This chapter serves as a reminder to consider the power of our intentions and their potential to shape not only our lives but the world around us. In the third chapter, the focus shifts to the resilient mindset of champions. Champions possess an unyielding patience and determination that fuel their journeys. They don't just sprint, they run marathons, enduring every mile with unwavering resolve. Champions don't shy away from failure. When challenges knock on their doors, they don't retreat, they press forward. Patience, for them, is not about avoiding obstacles but embracing them. They understand that success is not a quick race but a continuous effort over time. When life throws curveballs, champions adapt. They adjust their sails and navigate through even the harshest storms. Obstacles, big or small, are met with optimism and focus. Adversity isn't viewed as a hindrance but as a crucial stepping stone. Champions know that growth is forged in the furnace of challenges. They do not fear failure. They embrace it as a teacher. Tough situations sharpen their commitment and refine their character. Every setback is a lesson, every hardship an opportunity to rise stronger. The chapter encapsulates the essence of a champion's mindset, a relentless drive to persevere, adapt, and emerge victorious, no matter the odds. This relentless spirit is not just what makes them successful. It's what makes them unstoppable. What do you think of this adaptation? Let me know if there's anything else I can refine to make it more impactful. Champions are not afraid to question the status quo, challenge unfavorable situations, or confront traditional knowledge. They reject a mediocre life and strive for excellence. When the world takes unexpected turns, they adapt without hesitation. Standing alone doesn't intimidate them. In fact, they embrace it. Champions understand that innovation is born from courage and curiosity. They disrupt industries, rewrite rules, and redefine what is possible. Their audacity reshapes the world. For them, being ordinary is unacceptable. They are not content with the mundane. Champions hunger for significance. Their goals are not mere checkboxes. They are the whispers of their soul, igniting a fire in their veins. They recognize that their mission transcends personal gain. Purpose serves as their compass, guiding them toward impactful lives. Champions don't chase success, they pursue influence. Their legacy reverberates far beyond their lifetimes. The mindset of a champion is both resilient and flexible. It bends without breaking. When life delivers shocks, they endure. They don't cling to the scripts of failure or setbacks. Instead, they rewrite the narratives. Whether it's self-belief or trust in a higher power, this faith keeps them adaptable and moving forward. A champion's mindset isn't a fixed entity. It exists at the intersection of strength and potential. Champions use a three-dimensional roadmap to navigate their journeys. Destination. They set their sights on meaningful goals, fueled by clarity of purpose. Without this clarity, they would wander aimlessly. Direction. Champions don't drift. They navigate. They align their actions with intentions, turning their path into a deliberate commitment. Drive. The inner fire that burns within them outshines any external circumstances. This drive isn't a fleeting spark but an unrelenting, powerful flame. Champions live by their promises. They don't just set goals, they embody a standard of living. While a goal is a destination, a standard is a way of life. They honor their commitments, whether it's a vow to themselves, a memory of a lost friend, or a promise to someone who inspired them. Champions become the ears the world needs, listening to the calls for change and action. Their consistency is not driven by fleeting moods but by profound meaning. On the grand stage of life, they don't wait for applause, they act because it matters. As you embrace these qualities, remember, greatness isn't reserved for a select few. It's a mindset waiting to awaken within you. Chapter 4. Winning in Business. Victory in business begins with unwavering commitment. It's not merely about setting goals. It's about staying loyal to those goals long after the initial excitement has faded. Commitment means continuing to work relentlessly, even when the mood is low or the circumstances are challenging. Successful business leaders understand that commitment is far from ordinary. It's the foundation that sustains them through trials, transforming their efforts into enduring achievements. The road to success isn't paved with shortcuts but with relentless dedication and the willingness to persevere. In business, champions perform like expert artists. They don't just do their job, they execute with excellence. Imagine stepping onto a stage, the spotlight is on you, and the audience is waiting. Whether you're negotiating a deal, leading a team, or presenting a proposal, perform as if the world is watching. Excellence is not an occasional achievement. It's woven into the fabric of your work habits. Winning is not a single pursuit. Champions intentionally surround themselves with people who share their mission. A winning mindset requires focus on the present moment. When you're in a meeting, be fully present. When analyzing data, immerse yourself in it, avoiding distractions. Successful business leaders don't dwell on past mistakes or over-worry about the future. They channel their energy into the present, working relentlessly. The heartbeat of success is constant. Champions don't sprint, they maintain a steady pace. Whether it's networking, marketing, or product development, they consistently perform well. Small, deliberate actions over time accumulate into significant results. Success is not about occasional efforts, but about daily work. When failure comes, champions adjust their approach but keep moving forward. Continuity creates momentum, and momentum leads to victory. A winning mindset redefines failure. Rather than fearing it, they accept it as valuable feedback. Every failure holds lessons. Champions don't view failure as a dead end, but as a pivot point. It's not about avoiding mistakes, it's about learning from them. When Thomas Edison invented the light bulb, he didn't see thousands of failed attempts. He saw thousands of ways that didn't work. If you allow it, failure promotes growth and development. Profit is important, but champions have a holistic approach. Their goal extends beyond the balance sheet. They aim to make an impact. Consider the triple bottom line: people, planet, and profit. Successful businesses contribute to society, care for the environment, and create value for stakeholders. Purpose-driven companies attract loyal customers and enthusiastic employees. A winning mindset links advantages with purpose. As you grow in business, remember, there is no secret formula for success. It's a deliberate choice. Cultivate these qualities, apply them, and watch your business soar. Chapter 5. The role of psychology in sports. Psychology plays a crucial role in sports, affecting various aspects of our athletic journey. Inspiration, the drive to achieve excellence, is a key motivator. It pushes us to work hard, compete fiercely, and overcome obstacles. A positive mindset enhances inspiration, especially in challenging times. Self-confidence is not just about believing in our abilities. It's about trusting in our preparation. Athletes with strong self-confidence perform better, and a winning mindset generates unshakable self-belief, allowing us to step onto the field with confidence. Focus is our super strength. An organized mind helps us stay on track, preventing mistakes and missed opportunities, while mental training sharpens our focus, helping us execute tasks accurately. Resilience is key in sports, as it's filled with failures, losses, and unexpected moments. Resilience is our ability to bounce back, and a growth-oriented mindset views failure not as an obstacle but as a step toward improvement. We learn, adapt, and stay strong. A positive mindset is not wishful thinking. It's intentional mental conditioning. Optimistic thinking allows champions to see challenges as opportunities, imagine success, and maintain a positive internal dialogue, which enhances creativity. Psychologist Carol Dweck distinguishes between fixed and growth mindsets. A fixed mindset believes abilities are unchangeable, while a growth mindset thrives on learning and improvement. Athletes with a growth mindset embrace challenges, accept feedback, and see effort as the path to mastery. Feedback is not criticism but guidance. A positive mindset welcomes feedback as an opportunity to refine skills, and athletes who listen, learn, and adapt perform better. Managing stress and anxiety is vital in sports, where pressure, expectations, fear of failure, and performance anxiety often arise. A winning mentality accepts these feelings but doesn't let them paralyze us. Visualization, deep breathing, and mindfulness techniques help broadcast nervous energy, sharpening our mindset. Positive mental skills enhance confidence, focus, and resilience, serving as a mental gym where champions train. Stress and anxiety can become catalysts for improved performance, increasing alertness, focus, and inspiration. Mindset shapes results, especially in sports. A growth mindset, which embraces improvement, is the path to excellence. A positive mindset transforms the game from a struggle to a joy, fueling love for the sport. Every sprint, swing, or stroke becomes meaningful. Remember, our mind is the most powerful tool. Just like we tie our shoes, let's fine-tune our mindset.